Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Vehemence of Life. So today we bring you the recipe of our prawn malaicurry in home style. Add salt and turmeric powder to the prawns and shallow fry it. Don't deep fry as it will become hard like rubber. But before that, please make sure you clean and devein the prawns. I have now taken the prawns out and I am using the same oil that I used for frying them. I have now made the masala for gravy using the ingredients above. Make sure to cook till the oil comes out of the masala. I will now add the coconut powder to it and stir it for around 1 or 2 minutes. I will now add 1 tablespoon of ghee, and you can skip this part if you don't want to use it. I have now added water for my gravy. You can add it as per your need. Now it's time that I add the prawns back to the gravy and let it boil in medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes. It is done now and you can serve it with hot rice. So guys, hope you liked this video and please do subscribe to our channel and see you at the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.